Hello everyone, it is Jim Okresinski with your weekly screencast video. So this week I'm beginning in the announcements section of Canvas. Just to take a look at the schedule, you have no assignments due on Tuesday the 7th. However, on Thursday the 9th, your first draft and peer report will be due. We are working on Essay 3, and since this is the third essay project, I just want to remind everybody how Drive works, so I'll run through that in a minute. On Sunday, peer review number 1 will be due, and Tuesday of next week is when peer review number 2 will be due, and I believe your final draft of Essay 3 will be due next week also. All right, so let's head over to the module section. Just want to take an opportunity here just to let everyone know how important it is to read the assignment now that we're moving into the drafting phase of this particular module. Take a look at the essay instructions as far as having a focus problem. You need 3 outside sources. The proposal must have the property problem and solution format. All right, and the requirements, we're looking for about 3 to 4 pages, 1250 to 1500 words. Remember, as always, MLA guidelines should be first and foremost in formatting the document and also for the using and citing sources. I do have an example of a proposal essay. All right, it is, I believe, on textbooks. It was a different assignment that was a bit shorter than yours, so you want to make sure that you review that for its purpose and its function and its organization. Okay, so after we move through the instructions, I have also uploaded some additional reading and, well, not readings, I should say, but research in this. I might have pointed this out in the previous screencast video. There is some information from Tish Hayes here that will help you perform some of the research for those 3 sources you do need for Essay 3. Okay, so you want to take a look at those resources there and looking for your research. All right, I'll cover using and citing sources in my lecture video this week, but you can read ahead. Let me get through the modules here. I don't want to go through the discussion boards. I want to get to the drive instructions. Here we go. And then peer review report. There we go. Drive instructions remain really the same as they have been all semester. If you have the course folder in your Drive account, the SA3 folder is up on everything that you need is included in that folder. We have the peer review report. Remember, as always, to make a copy. And also the peer review groups. I've made some adjustments to the peer review group, so you want to look for your name closely. But remember, set up your folder with first draft, your report, and your final draft in the on our Google Drive account. Now, in this particular instance, once again, we do have the peer review report. Once you've completed your first draft and completed your peer review report, you want to upload a copy of your GDoc link here, right? And then, as always, as we've done for the prior 2 essays, your 2 peer reviews. Please give me the 2 GDoc links to the 2 peer reviews you've completed for your group in the Drive account. So let us head over to the proposal folder. Once again, I'm creating one COM 101 screencast video. So I'm using COM 101 section 015. This also does apply to COM 101 005 on the proposal argument. Each folder has got the peer review report, the peer review groups. I've also uploaded some of the library research resources, and once again, your learning materials and instructions are in the SA3 proposal argument folder. Just to give section 101005 an idea, here it is. Same thing, learning materials, peer review groups, and peer review report. As you can see, many students have already started forming their folders. So as we move forward through this particular lesson, you'll be able to have all the tools that you need regarding the SA3, right? So we've covered everything and all the activities for the week. If you have any questions, please send me an email as we move forward. Okay, as we move forward through SA3, time is limited due to the shortness of the semester, and we still have SA4 and the e-portfolio to work through. All right. So once again, if you have any questions, please send me an email. Good luck.